Welcome to ShadowGlen, where golf, amenities, and community come standard. Builder grade? Not here. This one's packed with personality and thoughtful upgrades. This layout flows beautifully, but it's the little details that really shine. Need a gym, a workshop, or a creative space? This third car bay is ready for it with its own private entry. A back patio that spans the length of the house means coffee, cocktails, and sunsets, all with front row seats. This Perry home sits right on the golf course with views that go for days. What do tee times, splash zones, and sunset strolls have in common? They're all in your neighborhood.